Mazda believes designing a car is not engineering it, it's really creating it, and it is artistic. I'm Baron Partau. I'm designer at Mazda's Advanced Design Studio in Frankfurt.
For me, it's very inspiring to explore a different new world. Every material is different and every material looks different under the microscope as well, and it's very fascinating. I'm Ole Bierfeld, I'm a macrophotographer and I'm the artist behind macrophying.
Takumi is essential to create something unique. We can integrate that artistic approach to our process. The details can make a huge difference.
For me, something is finished when everything is perfect, when every detail is set and when I don't see any imperfection anymore in my work.
We need a certain level of craftsmanship to express something which nobody has seen on the road.
In Japanese craftsmanship is also the focus on create something by hand and do it very naturally and not animate it or create on the computer.
Macrophying's work is astonishing and highly interesting because he dives in so deep into the details.
There's a similar passion in the way we work. We both focus on detail and have the attention to create something new and also to explore something and to explore different worlds.